Your DAW, your digital audio workstation, is your studio. And just like a physical studio, if it's not set up correctly, nothing that comes out of it will be professional. Before you make a single beat, configure your settings. Sample rate, 44.1 kilohertz. That's the streaming standard. Bit depth, 24-bit, never 16. Set your buffer size to 256 samples for production work. Install an audio interface. Even an entry-level Focusrite Scarlett eliminates latency and dramatically improves sound quality compared to your laptop's built-in sound card. Create a folder structure: projects, samples, exports, stems. That organization will save you hours every month. And pick one DAW and commit to it. FL Studio, Logic, Ableton, Pro Tools, they all work. The one you know deeply beats the one you're always switching away from. Set it up right today. Module 1 done.